Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Polina and this is Elemental Face Yoga. In today's video, I'm guiding you through a quick and effective morning routine for lifted cheeks and open bright eyes. This short sequence is perfect for your morning ritual, but actually any time of the day, and practicing it daily will help you see the best results. Here on my channel, you'll learn how to practice face yoga properly, with real attention to technique, form, and overall face alignment. We focus not only on strengthening facial muscles, but also on releasing tension through face massage and acupressure, so your face can return to its naturally lifted, relaxed, balanced state. So in today's video, we are targeting cheek muscles to lessen nasolabial folds, marionette lines, reduce the slackening or loosening of the facial tissues under the skin, and create a more lifted, sculpted appearance in the face. We're also targeting eye muscles to help lessen puffiness, dark circles, under eye bags, while also creating more openness in the upper eyelids, making your eyes look brighter, fresher, and more awake. When the cheek and eye muscles are strong and activated, your whole face appears lifted, energized, and glowing. Are you ready? Let's get started together. Let's start by taking a deep breath in through the nose. As you exhale, closing the eyes, releasing tension around the eyes and in the cheek muscles. Once more, deep breath in. And as you exhale, sending a wave of relaxation through the whole face. Let's open the eyes. Our first technique is focusing on the eyes, and we're actually warming up the eye muscles. Let's place our hand on the forehead to keep it relaxed. Now looking straight ahead, shoulders relaxed, good posture. Open the eyes wide and release them. Open the eyes wide again and release them. Feel the forehead staying absolutely smooth and untroubled under your hand whilst you're opening and closing the eyes. So feel the eye muscles now starting to work and starting to warm up. Rest the face relaxed. Last one. Release. Take your hand down, take a deep breath in and out. Next eye exercise, we will work with the V hold. So positioning our finger pads just so. Taking a breath in, looking up gently with your eyes. Make sure you're not looking up too high, so as to keep our forehead nice and easy here. Let's draw up the lower eyelids for one. Nice and slow, release them. And draw them up again, two. And draw up, keeping your forehead and the eyebrows still. Make sure you're not squeezing your eyebrows together. Feeling a gentle contraction and activation under your eyes. We're aiming to wake up these sections here, working with the lower eyelids. This will help us to brighten this area, move the lymph and the toxins out of this section, to create a much more lifted, open and bright appearance. We have 3 more of these, so just stay focused on your technique. Relax your eyebrows, keep your eyes gently looking up. Last one, good. Relax the eyes down, maybe even closing them if you like. Relax your hands. Deep breath in and out. Opening the eyes, again connecting to the eyes. What do you feel? How do the lower eyelids feel? They will feel different from the upper eyelids, because this is where we just exercise the muscles. Our next technique for the eyes is targeting the upper eyelids. So I want you to place your left hand over the left side of your forehead, covering your eyebrow with your pinky. So I'm pushing my elbow back to extend the arm so that I can go over the completely relaxed, flat forehead. Then with my pinky in my hand, I'm going to lift the brow and hold it in place. With your index and middle finger of the other hand, position it on the outer part of your eye. And make sure that you can breathe here, holding your thumb just in front of your face. Relax your shoulders. Now let's go ahead and close this left eye really tight into the center. So closing your lower and upper eyelid together, pressing them in, and feeling this beautiful work all around the eyes, so working both in the upper and lower section of the eyes. And if we can keep the other side open and relaxed, that would be great. But I know that people struggle with doing that, so just see if you can engage on the left side, focusing on that sensation. Let's relax slowly and take our hands off and observe the results of this technique. So you will feel much and you will see much more lift in your brow and also in the upper eyelid space. Once you're ready, let's do the other side. So again, preparation is everything, technique is everything. We keep our forehead relaxed and then we position the hand over it. Pinky covering the brow, elbow pushing back here a little bit, gently, and then starting to lift our forehead and our eyebrow up. But keep your forehead underneath your hand relaxed. So it's a mechanical lift with your hand. Index and middle finger just across, or maybe if you don't have space, just one finger. This is covering the lines because we're going to be squeezing the eye in. Let's do that now. Again, I'm pulling down with my upper eyelid and I'm pulling up with my lower eyelid. So really feel that work. Make sure that you're not under engaging the muscles. You've got the right amount of engagement. So feeling strong here, strong contraction. In the right side, breathe. Other side, open if you can. Practicing that. Rest of the face relaxed. Now slowly releasing. Allowing the hands to return, allowing the face muscles to return. Again, observing the effects on this side. So your eyebrow is now higher, and your eyebrow should have evened out. Inhale and exhale. Next, we're shifting our attention down to the cheeks. Let's puff the cheeks full of air, cover our hand over the mouth, and tap on the right side. Let's release, observe. So this right side should feel really warm and active and engaged. Let's go on to the other side now. And let's release. Connect now to the left side. Again, you should be feeling activation in both sides of the face, both sections of the cheeks. Next cheek exercise, we're puffing the cheeks full of air. Again, holding our hand over the mouth. Now shifting the air from side to side. You can have either one hand or both hands over the mouth, up to you. So we can position just one or both. Aiming to send the air into the upper, mid and lower section of the cheeks. Focusing more on the mid section and lower section of the cheeks so that our eyes are not overreacting. We can keep the eyes nice and relaxed. Let's release. Let's take a deep breath in and out. Again, observing the effect of this exercise on your cheek muscles. In the next exercise, we'll engage all of the cheek muscles simultaneously. So the direction of our engagement is going to be from the mouth corner to the earlobes, from the mouth corner up towards the top of the ears, then here from the start of the nasolabial fold up towards the temple, and from the midsection of the face here up towards the outer corners of the eyes. This will look like a controlled smile. So I want you to maybe work with the mirror, work with the screens, and connect to the cheek muscles one by one. We're going to start with the lower section, going out to the sides here towards the ears. So like a flat smile. Then we're going to add the midsection, lifting up gently towards the top of the ear, so you will feel a little bit more reveal and see a reveal of your teeth. Now engaging into the upper portions of the cheeks, so lifting towards the temples, and now finally engaging up a little bit more through here, lifting towards the outer corners of the eyes, but keeping the eye muscles underneath here relaxed. So cheeks are switched on. We're going to hold this position. It looks like a kind of artificial controlled smile. Make sure your mouth corners at the same level. So hold all the cheeks up. And now imagine that you're holding them in that position and pulsing them in the directions of your engagement. So pulsing all the way out and up, without dropping it down. So keeping your mouth corners at the same level. Everything is switched on, and it is switched on even more as we pulse, 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 pulse. Eyes relax, forehead relax. A lot of strength here happening, a lot of concentration required. Make sure you're breathing. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then slowly on the count of 5, release everything back down. So make sure your muscles are slowly returning, not being dropped down. Take a deep breath in and out. And we finish with tapping all over the cheeks. Tapping all over the central folds of the face, on top of the cheekbones, out to the sides, along the jawline, lower cheeks, and then tap all the way around to the temples and then top of the eyebrows, and then back down, tapping around the eyes a few times. It helps our lymphatic system to wake up, to activate, to brighten us, to create beautiful glow in the skin. Taking the taps back up over your eyebrows, and then tapping all the way from the forehead now, center of the forehead, out to the sides, out through the sides of the face, and down to the earlobes, through the neck, down to the collarbones, and then your final lymphatic tap to release. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I'm always happy to spend these few minutes with you, and I hope that this quick morning routine leaves your cheeks lifted, your eyes open and bright, and your whole face feeling refreshed. Leave me a comment and a like if you enjoyed watching this video. I love hearing from you. And if you'd like to support my channel, you can always use the super thanks button. Every bit of support helps me keep creating more high quality, technique focused routines for you. And if you want to go deeper, check out my 21-day face yoga transformation program, a brand new program filled with fully guided routines just like this one, designed to strengthen, lift and release tension in all the key facial areas. I walk you through the technique, structure and alignment step by step so you can get the most transformative results. The link is in the description below. Have a wonderful day today, and I'll see you next time. Bye!